David destrói the Amalekites. It opened when David and his men ready coming to Ziklag, o tentativo de dar de Amalekites e de meio a rede, o tesouro and the only Ziklag, and the destruction Ziklag, and the bondage which fight. And they take captive the young and you ready put small and grande. They dignity que Putzikariet tem off. And he went to when David and his men came into the siege, it was burned with fire, and they weaves and their sons and their daughters were taken captive. Then David and the people you were which lifted up their voice and wept until the age no more to weep. David's two wives were taken captive. Ainoa the Jezreelites and the Abigail, the wife of Nabal the Carmelite. David was greatly distressed, for the people spoke of stoning him, because the soul of your people was grieved every man for his sons and for his daughters. But David strengthened the net himself in your scourge. David decidiu Abiatar de Prieste, the son of Ahimelech, Peazi Beri de Poch. Abiatar brought the Poch to David. David created of Yahweh. Silent. If I pursue after this truth, so I overtake as words pursue for your soul, so heavily overtake. And the soul it took fire recover all. So David went and the 600 men were with him, and the enemy broke the sword, ready to see you, ready left Birinci стоять, речь, судьи и андефу дречи, фурчу дречи стоять, бейнечи, ю, пели, суфенч, почти, кончти. Quantity go over the brook Bessour. The fonte égyptien était fiel and the broguti into David and the gave embriagati and the gave water to drink. They gave a piece of your cake of figs and 2 clusters of raisins. When he ate his spirit came again to him, for the which yet no bread, nor drink at the water, till days and the nights. David escaped to you belong. Where are you from? He said, I am a young man of Egypt, servant to Amalekites, and my master left me because 3 days ago I fell sick. He made rage of the soldier of the Chittis, and the only ones which belongs to Judah, and the only soldier of courage of Caleb, and the way of nature, Zikir, Lucky, which fight. The which said to you bring in dawn to this troop. He said, swear to me my God that you will neither kill me, nor deliver you into the hands of my master, and I will bring you down to this troop. When the age approach is known, Beudi tem espelhado bronze over all the crowd, e a trinity drinking, and the same because of all the great spoil, which they taki onde ofte filisteus, onde ofte Judá. David disse que from the lineage even to the ethnic of the Nashville. Not one of them escaped from the except 400 young men. On camels and the fled. David recovered of the Amalekites and David rescued his 2 waves. He was authentically kind to them. Neither small nor adults, neither sons nor daughters, neither spoiled nor untamed, which they to them. David proved all. David took all the flocks and the herds which they drove before he chose whatever they took. And they said, "This is David's spoil." David came to teach you so French teach daily good, not follow David. Also, they educate to style. Odsity brook besor, and they went forth to meet David. Your brother which and David came near to the people. Great beach they all kicked men and the lazy fellows of Josie went which David and spread and said, because the image which was not gave the time of their spoil, which even recovered, except to every man is living and his children. Which my garage then why and the parts. Then with such you saw not to serve my brothers, which teach wish Yahweh is given to use. He was preserved use and delivered the truth which came like us was antes, you listen to your stigmata for eyes, that is your voice, no, to te bate, to te bate, so is seis, peyo, talheres bate, pacais, te sol, saída awake. It was so from each night or once. Did she make her stop touch? Minha ordinância por Israel to this night when David came to Ziklag, sending off his spoil to the elders of Judah, even to his friends Simon. Hoje, presente forte of the spoil of the enemies of Yahweh. Sending it to Joseph from Bethel. And to Joseph no Hamot of the Such. And to Joseph no Yatif. And to Joseph no Harway, and to Joseph no Sing Launch, and to Joseph no Still Moment, and to Joseph no Hakao, and to Joseph no the cities of the Ramelites, and to Joseph the cities of the Canids, and to Joseph Maha, and to Joseph Parasa, and to Joseph Taki, and to Joseph Yapa, and to all the places where Virgin itself and his men used to stay. Hapnai of Mother to use, and with so much for use.